Namaste friends, welcome back to Pavi Tech Zone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create drop-down menu in Android Studio. So video is going to be more important, and before starting I request you to please subscribe my channel and stay updated with amazing programming videos. Let's start. I have already created a project with name drop menu. So first go to strings.xml, copy this code and change it to select items and change its name to select. Next, create a layout folder, go to layout, new, layout resource file and give the name as list item. Click on OK. Change the constant layout to text view and give the padding as 16 dp and ellipse size as end, max lines 1 and text appearance as question mark attr slash text appearance subtitle 1. Next, open activity main XML. Change the constant layout to coordinator layout. Remove this text view and give as text input layout. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and layout margin will be of 16 dp and hint at string select. Inside this auto complete text view, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and input type will be none, and we will give id to this text view. We will give it as auto complete text. Next, we have to add another style to this input text layout. Style at style widget dot material components. Apply this style to text input layout. It will increase the beauty of your text view. Now, as you can see here, we have created a drop down option. Next, open the main activity. Create an array of type string, item. We have to give the 5 string items. So I will give it as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Give a semicolon. Next, autocomplete text view, autocomplete text view, array adapter, of type string, adapter items. Inside onCreate function, auto complete text view equals to find view by id r dot id dot autocomplete text adapter items equals to new array adapter. Type of the adapter would be string. So string, and pass the context of your activity, this, and pass the layout r dot layout dot list items comma item. Next, autocomplete text view dot set adapter, then pass adapter items. Next, autocomplete text view dot set on item click listener, new adapter view dot on item click listener. Here change this parent to adapter view. Inside the on item click function, string item adapter view dot get item at position. Inside this we have to pass our position. So position and dot to string. And next we will give the toast message. For that toast, item, next we have missed one attribute in activity main.xml. Open activity main.xml. Inside text input layout, layout gravity, give it as center. So that's it. This is the technique to implement on-click listener to your drop-down items. So let me run the app to show you the output. So as you can see, we have got the drop-down menu with items. When we click on first, it will show first, and when we click on third, it will show third. So this was all about today's video. If you are happy with my video, please give the like to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.